and in this video I shall be talking about the flower making tools and the paper which I use to make flowers, and as well I'll be showing a tutorial of a quick and simple paper flower. But if you are new to my channel, so what you have to do is, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then click on the red subscribe button, and as well don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you are all updated with my latest videos. So let's get started. So here I have the Floral Oriental paper, Soft Floral Oriental collection, and I have these grooved golf tools set. So let's start with the grooved golf tools, how they are used, what's the purpose of these tools, and what all you can create using these tools. So they have got the transparent packaging on the top side, and here you can see it's mentioned Groove Golf Tool Set. The link to all these craft supplies is in description box, so you can check that out. As well, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So this is a set of 4 tools used for making flowers. So these are the high quality stainless steel Groove Golf Tool set. You can also get the individual, but I got the set. So these are used for Thai clay flowers, clay modeling, as well as you can emboss the paper flowers with the amazing Floral Oriental Collection paper or Soft Floral Oriental Collection paper. So the set comprises of 4 different sizes, that is mini, small, medium and large. These are called as groove golf tools as these have got these groove lines. So when you emboss using these, your flower petal gets shape. So now let's talk about these papers, Floral Oriental Collection and Soft Floral Oriental Collection. So let's start with the Soft Floral Oriental Collection. It is a pack of 10 sheets, size is 12 by 12 and it is of 120 GSM, and this is acid free and lignin free. Also these are eco-friendly paper, and this is a premium white cardstock as well. And while talking about the Floral Oriental Collection, it is premium white cardstock of 12 by 12 inches and it is of 285 GSM and is a pack of 10 sheet, and this is as well acid and lignin free as well as eco-friendly paper. There is just the difference of GSM between the two papers, rest the results and outcome are exactly the same. Here I have created this rosette, and these are the handmade flowers using the Dress My Craft dies, and I have used the same paper. Here you can see I have used this ruffled rose die from Dress My Craft, and I have used Floral Oriental Collection paper to create these flowers. So what I do is I just simply take one of the sheets from any of the papers and use the Dress My Craft dies and die cut them with my die cutting machine, and then I color them up and create some beautiful flowers. You can use any of the papers, be it Floral Oriental or Soft Floral Oriental. It's just the difference in GSM, rest the result is exactly the same. Now in this video I shall also be showing how you can use these papers and how you can create flowers using these groove tools. So here I have this is the Soft Floral Oriental paper, and I have used the daisy flower die, and this is the Floral Oriental paper, and I have already done some die cutting. Here I am using embossing foam pad from Dress My Craft, and here I have this die cut and which I have pre-colored. So these are the 2 on the Floral Oriental Collection, and these 2 die cuts on the left hand side are from Soft Floral Oriental Collection. So now I'll just simply show how you can use. So the largest tool is used for the big petals. Then when you move on to the smaller petals, this tool size also changes, and here you can see this has got this poking tool on one side, so you can poke the hole at the center of your flower or the petals. So while working with Floral Oriental papers, either you can dip them in water for 10 seconds or mist some water, like here what I am doing, misting some water on the one side, and I'm just again misting on the other side, and after 10 seconds I'm just wiping off the extra water. I'm just making sure it is a little bit wet, that's it. Now I'll use the Groove Golf tools as per the size of the petal, and I'll simply slide in the tool like this onto my petal to give it some curvy shape, and I am applying a little bit pressure so that these petals get some grooved lines and they look real. And then after this I'll just let it dry naturally, or also you can heat set the petal. So here is the look of the petal, and here you can see it has got amazing curves, and here you can as well see the groove lines. This is very easy and quick idea to make your own handmade flowers. You can just add pollens to the center and then you're good to go. So here I have this petal, and I'm just using my groove tool to give it some shape and the groove lines. And here you can see I'm almost done. Here you can have a closer look and see how beautiful the petal has turned out to be now. So this is how you work with the Floral Oriental collection paper. Now let's move on to the soft Floral Oriental paper. The process is quite similar. I'll dampen it, I'll mist some water, but I won't let the water settle onto the paper, but I'm on the spot itself wiping out the extra water. That is, I'll just let it get wet for about 2 seconds or 3, and I'll just repeat the process. I'll use my groove tools. There's just difference that when you're working with soft Floral Oriental paper, you need not to apply a lot of pressure as it is just 120 GSM, whereas while working with Floral Oriental, that is 285 GSM, you need to apply a little bit more pressure as compared to soft Floral Oriental paper. And here you can see the outcome is exactly the same. When it is fully dried up, you won't see any difference that either the paper was soft Floral Oriental or the Floral Oriental paper. Here you can see how beautiful the petals are coming out to be with the help of Groove Golf tool. So on the website, this full tool set is available, that is all the 4 sizes, but if you are willing to buy them individually, you can get your hands on these tools individually as well. Once the petals are dry, then you can use the mini golf tool to pierce hole in the center of each petal to insert your pollens. So if you are into flower making or you want to try flower making, these are the basic and must-have tools. So get your hand on these tools as soon as possible. So I created a rose. This is the rose which I created, and here you can see I use the groove tools to give the fine lines onto my rose. And here is a bunch of filler flowers which I made. Again, I use groove tools to give the fine lines to the filler flowers, and I use the mini tool for these fillers. These ones are as well dried off, and you can see they look exactly the same, and you can create your flower. So using the soft Floral Oriental collection, and these groove tools and the amazing dies from Dress My Craft, I created these beauties. As well, if you want to know 7 different ways to use the Floral Oriental paper from Dress My Craft, make sure you check on the video number 85, or you can check out the description box as well. See you soon. Until next time, till then, happy crafting.